Yeah. So good morning, one and all who are present here. Today we start our new session. Dr. S.L. Badjate sir, Principal SBJITMR Nagpur, has delivered a very interesting topic which is related to industry as well as our academics, that is Industry 4.0. So without wasting of time, I would request Dr. S.L. Badjate sir to continue the session and enlighten the knowledge about the Industry 4.0. Sir, hand over to.
Okay, thank you, Hiran Gade, sir. My screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, I'm very much delighted that the first year department of first year engineering has organized this 1 week workshop on the very recent topic and which is useful topic nowadays regarding the IPR, regarding the innovation, and regarding the entrepreneurship. So at the outset, I take this privilege to congratulate the department as well as the head of the department, Mr. Gaffar sir, convener, Mr. Hiran Khade sir, that within a short span of time, you have taken the efforts and you have been organized this workshop. So on this August gathering, the present members, all the head of departments, deans, and my dear faculty members. The topic which is given to me today is Industry 4.0. So nowadays, everybody we have very much concerned and very much interested to know what is Industry 4.0. So basically, this concept has been elongated from the Industry 1.0, then so on 2.0, 3.0, and like this up to the 4.0. So it is very interesting to know what is the Industry 4.0. Basically, the contents of this my presentation will be today. The motivation that I got it from what is Industry 4.0, then introduction, then industry revolution, then Industry 4.0, then essential technologies, and then finally what are the employability skills for that. So the motivation which has been received to me कि क्या क्या चीजें अवेलेबल है इसमें, बट व्हाट आर द एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज व्हिच आर अवेलेबल ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ आवर लाइफ एंड एंटायर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस यानी the process which we have earlier, that was very traditional processes which is being now replaced by the advanced technologies. Then in the coming scenario, the continuous digitization and revolution changes the way we interact and communicate and the process. Now if you are going to observe the things regarding the industry culture, regarding the corporate culture, the things are entirely changed. The process is entirely updated. Earlier the process was very man oriented, human oriented. Now the complete digitization is there. Fraction of second का भी delay अगर होता है तो it will cause lot of problems to the industry. Lot of exercises has been inputted on this digitization process, and because of that the industry 4.0 revolution exists. Then explosive growth of the technology. If you compare the technology growth from last 40 years, you will find that how much technology is being improved. If you consider the example of the mobile, then mobile technology is being improved from 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and now it is up to the 5G. Now the approach to of the industry is also being getting changed. It is now data centric and modern approaches of the management. And earlier we are not focusing on the where we have to operate, what are the information we have to available. Then according to information we are now according to information we are going to plan the things. Whatever the data we have, whatever the synchronized data we have, on that particular data we are going to get to operate, and we are getting the good results, and the modern approaches of the management is going to get give us the good results. Then टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस जो हुए हैं तो उसमें स्किल मैन पावर एम्प्लॉय को भी एक बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप बढ़ा हुआ है. Those having the good skills, those having the very good aptitude skill, logical skill, programming skills, then to deal with the peoples is having the very good employability in this domain. So employability generation is getting very much improved in this industry 4.0. So the change is that we are now in the age of digital age. So in the digital age, you'll have the findings, the virtual reality, the scope of virtual reality, then 3D printer technology, then artificial photosynthesis, then we have now electric cars, then quantum computing. This is a new area which is going to get recognized nowadays. Then AI, artificial intelligence, which is now at the boom in the system. Every country is going to work on the artificial intelligence nowadays, and it is going to get boom in the industry. Then super brain concepts, then digital medicine. We are going to have the hospitalization. We are going to have the things telepathically. What are the information we have available in the data form of the patient that can be treated from the other end, from the even from the foreign also. We are going to treat the patient in the India with the proper information and all this thing within a second. Then drone technology, you might have seen the advantages of the drone technology. कितना drone technology का एडवांसमेंट हुआ है, कितनी उसकी सॉरी कितनी ज्यादा उसकी यूटिलिटीज हुई है इन द डिफेंस एरिया, इन द रिसर्च एरिया, इन द एग्रीकल्चर सेंटर, and in the center where the things information we are unable to track, we can send the drone and we can have the information on the drone. And by securing the information, by adopting the image processing techniques, by adopting the other kind of processing techniques, we can extract the information and we can provide the solution to the different problems in the defense technology, in the agriculture center, and in the other kind of a society. So very good technology is being improved in the case of drone. In the case of 3D printer, it's a very fundamental thing and very advantageous thing, 3D printer technology. Then artificial intelligence में तो enormous scope in this industry 4.0. So these are the very aspects of the industry 4.0 कि इसमें क्या क्या चीजें आई हुई है. Then digital transformation is also there. If you consider the digital transformation, we have the different kind of call centers, then video tailors, messenger chatbots, social media interactions, then self-service kiosks we have, then mobile technology, web technology, then email facility, data analytics approach. A lot of tools are available for the data analytics, and automatic decision makings softwares are available. By having the proper information, by proper data analysis, we can have the solution automatically within a fraction of second in the decision making capacity with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So the revolutionary change in this industry 4.0. So if you are comparing the industry revolution from the beginning, so earlier in the first industrial revolution, we have machinery with steam power. यानी कि whatever the machines we have that was running through the steams, we have the engines that are being designed with the technical help of steams. And at that time, if you find the employees, they are very unskilled and unworkable. उनकी conditions जो उनको दी जाती थी, that condition is also unworkable. That the skills are not that much at that time. It was imported and not available. So a lot of time and a lot of exercises was going to get vested in the first industrial revolution. But it is fortunate that कि उन्होंने जो किया उसको देखते देखते we have learned, and after learning, after analysis, we are given to the final certain good solutions towards the industry 4.0. Then in the second industrial revolution, we find that it is an electric power generator replaced with the steam generator. And the engine which were steam, now it is being replaced by the electrical power. Then large scale production of the steel industry. Steel industry में large scale production होता था, and then we came across in the case of electronics the wired communication. We have one means of communication, one means of information being invented at that time. It was a wired communication, and that communication was helping in the second industrial revolution for getting the solution in the advancement in that time. Then third industrial revolution may we will have the automatic production. Then it was based on the information technology, and whatever the mechanical devices we have, which was running through the manpower, now it was being it was being carried out with the help of electronics equipment. Automatic production, certain robots were being invented. Then IT was technology which was used in the third industrial revolution. And then mechanical devices जो मैन पावर को कंज्यूम करता था, जो टाइम को कंज्यूम करता था, that was being replaced by the ICs, that was being replaced by the transistors, that was being replaced by the IC technology, which is going to reduce a lot of time in the third industrial revolution for the industrial manufacturing. And industrial 4.0, now it is industrial 4.0, which is being taken care of with the help of technology of the internet of things, complete digitization and complete automation. Internet of things means whatever the information, whatever the things available, data is available, that is extracted from a large distance. It is possible to extract and control the things from the large distance. Even if you are sitting in the Nagpur, you can control the industrial things, industrial unit of the Butiburi. If you consider an example of the Lokmat press, which is being situated in the Butiburi, and if you can take the consideration of the control of all this thing, it is being controlled through the Lokmat office of Dhantoli. यानी जो भी कुछ वहां के प्रिंटिंग इक्विपमेंट है, जो भी वहां के प्रिंटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है, फ्रॉम द वन बटन फ्रॉम द लोकमत ऑफिस ऑफ धंतोली, इट इज गोइंग टू गेट कंट्रोल. That is the ultimate use of Internet of Things in case of the industry. And the people who can have the available at long distance, he can have the switching to the another distance, and he can control the equipment, he can control the entire industry. So this in the industrial revolution 4.0, really the scientists and the industry persons and the technical persons really invented this thing in a very proper manner, and the utility of things is so enormous. The entire industry is controlled by the long distances. The time management, the things management is getting drastically reduced in case of the industrial 4.0, and that was the major objective in case of industry 4.0. Rather, we can say the people's time, the entire time of manufacturing, the entire time of process has to be reduced in the minimum as possible. Then complete digitization is again a part of the industrial revolution 4.0. The things are getting completely digitized. If you see, initially we have to maintain a lot of files, a lot of things in the office. It will take the entire space of the industry, entire space of the offices for maintaining the record, for maintaining each and every aspects of the design processes. Now, after digitization, the things are available at a glance. यानी एक रिसर्चर अगर कोई डिजाइन को देखना चाहता है तो he has to see more than 20 to 30 files, and for carrying out that 30 files he has to organize a person to take from there, then take a files and then see the research, and then again he had to draft his research and then put it on the paper, and then it will be kept on the file, and then it will be available for the entire industry unit. Now the process is very simple. All the designs which were carried out earlier, they are digitized completely. And digitization होने के बाद उसका जो advantage मिला है नए researcher को, at a glance he can pick up all these things, and directly with the help of machine, with the help of the computer, he can design the new process, he can design the new technology, and that can be put up on the net, that can be put up on the industry. And continuous way of research is going on. Research is going on. एक दिन में आज आपका एक for example एक research हुआ है तो it is possible to, in the next hour you can have certain kind of more innovation in that. So innovative technology is getting the help in this complete digitization process. Then if you consider the automation, the entire thing is automated. It is being controlled with the help of electronic switches, with the help of software systems, with the help of artificial intelligence, with the help of robots. The things are getting controlled in the industry. यानी जहां आदमी पहुंच नहीं सकता था, with the help of robots, the things are getting possible with minimum distance, with a lot of accuracy. More important is accuracy, and accuracy is achieved with the help of the multiple robots with the very high accuracy design robots is possible. So Industry 4.0 revolution is entirely the revolution in the entire country, in the entire world. So the technology which has been used in the Industry 4.0, in the 4.0, we have the cloud computing. The greatest advantage of the cloud computing, that the entire thing is available on the cloud. We can pick up the data, we can process it, we can have, after processing whatever the research, we can put it on the cloud, the things getting utilized properly. The technology, mobile technology, enormous use of mobile technology. Now, with the help of mobile, we can switch off from anywhere to anywhere. We can control anything from the anywhere. Even with the help of mobiles, we can able to control the things which are available in the any kind of industry, any kind of in the, any offices. We can easily control. Then machine to machine, as control is there. Then 3D printing, as already we have been discussed. Big data analytics is again the huge area where the industrial revolution 4.0 में बहुत ज़्यादा उसका utility होते हैं. Internet of things is the things which is going to have a lot of scope in near future also. It is also having the scope in this area also. Then RFID technology, RFID is technology that is very versatilely used anywhere for controlling the things. Then cognitive computing, these are the tools which are being utilized in industry 4.0. Components of the industry 4.0 already we have been discussed a lot regarding the Internet of Things, then cyber physical systems, then the smart factory. Now the design of the factory is not like earlier one. We are going to design the factories very smart, very artificially intelligence based. The design process are there. Very controllable units we can install in the smart factories. Then the robotics, utility of robotics is huge. Anywhere where the persons are, where humans are not going to approach, with the help of robotics, it is possible to control, to pick up the things, to know the things, and everything is possible with the help of robotics. So these are the major components of the industry 4.0. So a lot of innovations, a lot of research, a lot of entrepreneurships is possible in the with the help of this tools of the industry 4.0. It is appeal to the all the entrepreneur, those who are going to have the good entrepreneurship skills. They can go on this parameters. Even a small startup is possible with the help of this technology. Earlier days आपको एक इंडस्ट्रियल प्लॉट लेना पड़ता था, इंडस्ट्री डिजाइन करना पड़ता था, lot of investments, lot of manpower, lot of things are involved. But now with the help of softwares, with the help of technology, with the help of smart tools, within a one room of 1,000 square meter, or rather we can say 1,000 square feet also, it is possible to start the startups with the right kind of innovation and right kind of things. There are a lot of examples which are based in our country also कि छोटे-छोटे startups को crores of rupees they are earning, and they are selling their startup in the crores. So it is a good opportunity for the in industry 4.0 to develop our startups. Then characteristics in case of industrial real 4.0, we can have the networking for the smart production systems. From one unit to another unit, we can have the networks, we can have the connectivity. Then new generations for global value networks. Then entire value chain, you can form a chain for entire value management, and you can have the chain management in the case of this. Then exponential changes and acceleration. पहले के industry में आप one day by one day or 1 year by 1 year you can have the progress. But with the help of this essential technology in case of industry 4.0, there are a lot of chances for growth and a lot of accelerations is possible. The exponentially growth is possible, exponential changes are possible in the industry revolution 4.0. Then drone Already we have discussed regarding the drone, 3D manufacturing, printing. It is one of the versatile area that in the industry 4.0, the peoples can think on in the development, in the innovation of 3D printing. Robotics already we have been discussed. Then blockchain technology. Nowadays, blockchain technology in case of currency, was very much useful. Blockchain is a concept which is being utilized everywhere in case of the currency and all this thing in entire world. Then virtual reality and simulation. ये एरिया तो इतना important है, virtual reality simulation in the entire medical processes, in the systems of designing the medical imagination or imaging things. Virtual reality is very much important. Augmented reality is again the area where the things are possible in the industry 4.0. The new startups are being getting very much scopes in this augmented reality, virtual reality, blockchain management, then artificial intelligence and data analytics. Data, it is very important to have the analysis on the data. So AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning, the tools are available where we can easily analyze the data and we can quantify the things, we can qualify the things, and we can have more and more research on the data, and we can give the purification in the solutions. So a lot of scopes in this innovation in the case of data analytics, also in the case of IoT. So IoT to announced for the automation and services, IoT का utilization ultimate है. So the startups are possible in the industry 4.0. So you can focus in case of industry 4.0. The technology is the rapidly change, and with the help of this technology, the peoples, the students, the any person who is interested, he can start a startup in very you can say very low investment. He can think of the startment, and after imagination, after having a lot of research and analysis, his startup can be a big way in this entrepreneurship. So इंडस्ट्री 4.0 से इंडस्ट्री 4.0 की जर्नी में देखेंगे तो स्कोप ऑफ बिकमिंग द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप is far possible, and is easiness is far possible. Earlier to develop the industry, एक सोचने में ही बड़ी तकलीफ होती थी, but now you can think of in case of industry 4.0 revolution कि within a room, in the 1,000 square feet room, is it possible? It is possible to start our own startup. It is possible to start our own entrepreneurship. A lot of scopes in the industry revolution 4.0. So you consider any kind of example from Zomato to any online services, Ola, then Uber. These are being startups initially, now where they are landing. So this is now the technology, and with the help of technology and with the help of thinking, the things are getting enormously changed. So it is my appeal to all and faculty members and all the participants to propagate the revolution of industry 4.0 among the students, so that the students will get the benefit of this technology, and with the help of this technology they can think of to become the entrepreneur, which was earlier was difficult to have the entrepreneur. Now it is easy to become an entrepreneur with the help of technology. So with these few words, I am stopping myself here itself, and thank you very much for giving me the opportunity for this workshop to speak on this topic. And once again, I am congratulating the Department of First Year Engineering as well as the efforts of the Research and Development Department, Dean R&D Madam, for taking the efforts for this organizing this workshop. और एक चीज और शेयर करना था, today is the birthday of our head of the department, Mr. Abdul Ghaffar sir. So on this occasion, I take this opportunity to wishing him the best wishes on this birthday. So thank you very much. Thank you all of you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your this session. The session was very interesting regarding the industry point of view. Yes, any question from audience side regarding industry 4.0? Sir, we have one participant from Dr. Brajesh Kumar from Mansoor University, MP.
Yes.
Brajesh sir, yes, Brajesh sir is there. Brajesh sir, I am audible? Dr. Brajesh sir? Okay, due to some technical issues, sir, he wants to discuss some questions regarding Industry 4.0. So, it's my privilege, sir, to have as a resource person in this 1 week FDP on innovation in entrepreneurship and
Sir,
the
Sanjeev
IPR.
sir,
Hi, yes, sir.
before the vote of thanks, I want to say something.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Uh, Good morning, everybody. And on this particular occasion, within a very short duration of time, and it is only possible because of the constant motivation from the Honorable Principal Sir and the Dean R&D Madam, Dr. Khushi Gyanchandani Madam. And I must share about some of my views about this particular workshop, the way this workshop is going on, and various personalities, eminent personalities are going to address our faculty members. If the faculty members are aware about the innovative practices, as the government is taking so much efforts as far as the entrepreneurship development is concerned, definitely our student will be benefited on this particular occasion. And again, I don't want to take here much of time, and I just wanted to thank respected principal sir, Dr. S.L. Badjate sir, for giving us the valuable time, and I congratulate the Dean R&D for such a wonderful work organization of such a wonderful workshop on this particular issue, and I hope we will have the very fruitful results from this particular thing. And I must appreciate the effort taken by the Professor Sanjeev Harin Khede sir, the way he has taken this workshop. I am really happy with this particular thing, and we will expecting the more and more fruits in the future as a part of the more entrepreneurs in our institute. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your motivational words. So here we stop this session. The next session will be start from 2 p.m. Okay. So attendance sheet and the feedback form is shared in the group. So all are the field that details of your attendance as well as the feedback. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.